Okay, Year 10 Foundation Working with Circles Part 2. Let's have a look at this question. Right, the arc length shown, that's the red line, is 15 millimetres. Find the circumference of the circle. With this question, we can see that, in fact, the, the 60 degrees is equivalent, is linked to the 15 millimetres, okay? The reason is that the whole circle, all the way around the circle, is the circumference. So the arc length is linked to the angle. Well, I know that the whole circle, the angle round a point is 360 degrees, so that must be equivalent to whatever the circumference is. Here I'm looking for the multiplier. We can probably see it, but if I do 360 divided by 60, or 36 divided by 6, I can see that my multiplier is times by 6. So if I times my 15 by 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 10s are 60, that is 90 millimetres, okay? Question 4, which calculation works out the area of the sector? The area of a sector is actually the angle theta of the sector divided by 360 times by pi times by r squared. So in this case, the angle is 280, the 360 is 360, pi is pi, and the radius is 7 squared. So in fact, what we've got is this one here. Hence, calculate the area of the sector. So for this, if I get my calculator, there it is, all I've got to do is press the right buttons in the right order. So fraction 280 over 360. Go to the end by pressing the right button. Then I've got pi. Now, you could put the times in, but in fact, your calculator is good enough for you to substitute values, as long as you put the 7 in brackets. And I would always advise that any substitution, put it into brackets, then press squared. So I've got 280 over 360 pi r squared, 7 squared, press. Now we've got it in terms of pi, but we'll probably in this case we'll change it to 1 decimal place. So I've got 280 over 360 pi 7 squared equals 119.7 meters squared.